Okay, so this is oblique leg slides, and this is going to be a variation, the first variation off of the first video that I mentioned. And the purpose of this is again to strengthen the abdominals, but specifically the rectus abdominis, and also the transverse abdominis as well, and the external obliques. And it's also going to make sure that we're not causing excessive motion in the lower back and the lumbars when we're moving the legs. So the whole purpose is going to be strengthening those muscles around the lower back. And really when we do this, if you have any, I'm going to show if you have pain, there's something that you can do while you're doing it as well that makes it more comfortable. But you're going to lay on your back just like this, starting up with the last one. You're going to have your knees bent, and you're going to contract your abs like you're trying to suck your belly in towards the floor. And it should feel contracted. You want to keep at least one hand on there to make sure that it's staying contracted. And as you keep one leg down, what you can also do, I forgot to mention in the last video, is you can put just a really small pillow propped up under your head. You don't have to, it's not mandatory, but it's something that might make it a little more comfortable. But what you're going to do is you're going to lift one leg up like this to about here, all the while keeping your stomach and your abs tight. And then you're going to let it back down. And then you'll do the other side. Just like that. Slow and controlled. Making sure your hips are not moving too much. If it's painful at all, one thing you can do is once you bring this up, push down with the opposite foot into the floor. Just like that. So you're going to do that at least once in the morning, in the evening as well. You'll do 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions. If you can't do it at lunch too, that's great. And the goal is to do that at least 3 to 5 times a week. That's going to strengthen those muscles that support the lower part of the spine and the abdominals that are supporting the structure of the spine that protects the nervous system.